Hello, everybody, and welcome to this series on public speaking. And today we are looking at the power of effective public speaking. If you desire to acquire the skill of public speaking and using it to enhance your career or becoming a professional paid speaker in any industry, I think that the foundation is to understand the power of effective public speaking. Public speaking is a very valuable skill that can help you to communicate effectively and confidently in various situations, depending on what you do as a professional. By God's grace, I've had the privilege to travel 4 continents, multiple countries, speaking in hundreds and hundreds of events and getting paid in millions and all of that. And I have seen the incredible power of this valuable skill called public speaking. You know, whether you are presenting in front of a large audience, whether you are having a conversation with a small group of people, like a team of people, or even with your friends, or even on a video session like this, public speaking can help you to convey your message in a very clear and persuasive manner. And the ability to communicate your ideas, the ability to sell yourself effectively is very crucial. And this is where public speaking comes in as a skill. And I always like to say that it is called a skill because anybody can learn it. Exactly. You can learn it and you can become good at it. I always like to say 10 years ago, this was not how I was speaking. And 10 years from now, I will be a better speaker, right? You keep training, you keep becoming effective, you keep working on it, you keep practicing until I wanted to say until you arrive, but I don't think that you arrive when it concerns being somebody of impact and significance. One thing about public speaking that I like is that it allows professionals, it allows us to form connections with people, right? Through this video, I am actually forming a connection with you based on the way that I am speaking with you, right? I have a lot of powerful, amazing relationships in different countries just because of how I presented in meetings, in sessions, in conferences, and workshops. And we have been able to form amazing connections. Number two is it enables you to influence decisions. That's why one of the most important skills, if you want to be an influencer, a leader, is for you to acquire public speaking skills. It makes it easy for you to be in that position where you can influence the decisions of people. The next thing is it motivates change. Yes, it motivates you to be in that position where you can create change in the lives of people. So strong public speaking skills are highly sought after right now in the workplace, in the business landscape, and employers in particular often value professionals and individuals who can confidently and convincingly present their ideas, present their projects, and deliver engaging presentations to their colleagues, to the board, to investors, and to whoever. And when you study history, throughout history, we have witnessed or we have read the power of effective public speaking. We have heard how visionaries, leaders, influencers, presidents, religious leaders have used their words to inspire, to motivate, and to create change. Jesus Christ used public speaking, right? And many people have transformed their lives by harnessing the power of effective public speaking. I can talk about this to an extent, right? I have been a full-time public speaker, coach, and consultant for 10 years today. That means that's what I do full-time. I get paid, I live on public speaking. It has transformed my life. I've been to more than 15 countries, 4 continents, met amazing people because of the power of public speaking. Whether your dream is landing a dream job, just the way you can speak in an interview panel, just the way you can speak somewhere, somebody can pinpoint that that is a talent that I need in my company, or delivering a powerful presentation, inspiring others. Public speaking is a testament. It's a powerful testament, and it has shown how we can move our lives forward with this skill. Now, remember this, and I always like to say this: everyone has the potential to be an exceptional public speaker. Everyone. It is all about practice, perseverance, and continuously improving on the skills. As I said earlier, it is a skill because anybody can learn that skill. So keep working on it, keep improving, no matter the challenge. Don't give up. And remember, sometimes in the early days of your public speaking career, this is for people that desire to be in front of people to spread their message. At the early days of your career, nobody may know you, but your job is to keep investing in your craft, practice, persevere, and improve until you become the best at what you do. Keep building that dream, and it is possible. You are rare, you're remarkable. Cheers.